Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to convert all tabs into one tab or list using Google Chrome extension. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Google web browser. Now right here, one tab Chrome extension, press enter. So this is our add-on Chrome web store, so click on it. So we are going to convert all our tab into one tab or list and save memory and increase speed. Now you see add to Chrome, so click on it, and then you see add extension, so again click on it. Now downloading and then installing, and now you see message one tab has been added to Chrome. On top you see extension, so click on it, and then you see one tab in it, so you can open many tabs. Now you see we have a lot of tab open, and then you see icon one tab, so click on it. Now you see one tab has requested additional permission, allow, and then you see one tab, 7 tab, restore. If you want you can restore all, delete all. If you want you can share it, click on more. You can name this tab group. You see multiple option, so we have 7 tab, and then you see other option here. If you want you can bring all tabs into one tab. Now we are going to restore all, so click on it. Now you see all tabs are restoring. By using this Google Chrome extension you can save memory and also increase browser speed. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.